But we catch and cook tonight anyway.
So it turned out to be pretty cool, nice fishing spot. We had some success with the fishing. And yeah, I'm glad I decided to come up and give it a go. So get a nice fire going and then get some supper on the go. And it's all rocks, you get the water there and it's all rock around here, so great spot to have a fire. I was thinking when I was over by the river that it was going to be too noisy to sleep here with all the frogs, but the frogs tend to be more over where I was fishing to, and over here actually it's a lot quieter. I would imagine they'll probably, their noise will probably die off a bit too as it gets closer to time to go to bed. So this here, this was a backup reel that I brought along for this little overnighter. So I stopped in a Dollarama and I said I might as well pick up a little reel while I was there because I saw it in the camping section. It's only $4. And when I was putting together my old rod, I realized that the old reel wasn't working, so I put this on. And sure enough, for $4, I got one trip out of it anyway. Yeah, I put on probably 2 or 3 of the little trout that I have, or the the medium-sized trout that I have. Cook those up, and I'm going to do that potato and corned beef hash. It's kind of like you mix it together, and then you fry it up with a bit of butter on the pan. It's been years since I had that, but I remember it being really good, so I want to try something a little bit different there tonight. So join me by the fire now for a little while I listen to the sound of the frogs and the birds and the campfire. So I'm going to put some of the trout on now that I caught earlier. It's we got some nice coals on, so I'm going to fire them right on the grill and just eat them just like that. I think 2 will be good for now, and I might have another 1 or 2 of them with breakfast. But you know, not huge trout, but nice size, pan size as they say. Not a bad feed for a couple little trout. And like I said, I have another 4 or 5 there, so I'm going to have another couple for breakfast tomorrow. So anyway, this is course number 2. I'm going to eat this, and then I'm going to get the fire pit stoked up with some wood, hang up by the fire, and call it a night then after that. Well guys, that's just about it for me for tonight. I will show you guys the setup in the back of the Jeep before I actually go to bed. But my plan is I'm just going to hang out here now just by the fire for a half hour or so, and then just crawl in bed. So like I said, before I crawl in the bed, I'm going to show you just around the small quarters that I have in the back of the Jeep there. Not much, but like I said, it's a quick, easy shelter. Don't have to worry about doing anything. You bring it with you, so it makes for a quick overnighter for sure. Hope you guys had a bit of fun. It was nice to get a bit of trouting in, actually catch a few trout, and to be able to do a bit of catch and cook. I'm going to definitely fry up a few of those trout for breakfast tomorrow morning, so stay tuned for that. If you watch this far, you might as well check it out tomorrow morning when we cook breakfast. Some coffee, some trout, some bologna, and some toast. Good night. We'll see you guys in the morning. Guys, that's home sweet home for tonight. So I'm going to crawl in there now very shortly. I'll crawl in through the side door. I'll have this closed up, crawl in through the side door, and we'll see you guys in the morning. Morning everyone. Just woke up around 10 or 15 minutes ago. I'm going to get some breakfast started now shortly. But first I'm going to get the coffee going. And since I have my power station with me, hey, why not? I'm going to get a cup of coffee going. Then I'm going to stoke up a fire, get a fire going, and cook some breakfast.